I'll be gone next week. Where are you going? Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice 10. Very short conversations, set 15. So be sure to see all the videos in the series. Plus, in the second part, we will take turns. So be sure to stick around for the second part so we can take turns. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes? Great. Let's do it. Study. I'm going to study abroad next year. Good for you. Shopping. It opens at 10 a.m. What time is it now? Taking a vacation. I'll be gone next week. Where are you going? Accidents. I broke my leg. How did you do it? Laundry. This is a dirty yellow sock. It smells bad. Going out. I can't stay late. Neither can I. Meals. I usually eat rice in the evening. Do you mean with dinner? Disagree. Bread is the best. I don't think so. Age. I can't drink beer until I'm 21. When's your birthday? Oversleep. She is still sleeping. Wake her up. Let's take turns. I will go first. I will be the blue sentences. And you will go second. You will be the black sentences. I'm going to study abroad next year. It opens at 10 a.m. I'll be gone next week. I broke my leg. This is a dirty yellow sock. I can't stay late. I usually eat rice in the evening. Bread is the best. I can't drink beer until I'm 21. She is still sleeping. Let's switch. You will go first. You will be the blue sentences. And I will go second. I will be the black sentences. Good for you. What time is it now? Where are you going? How did you do it? It smells bad. Neither can I. Do you mean with dinner? I don't think so. When's your birthday? Wake her up. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.